Hey, I know typically we put out a Goodwill bins video, but we thought we'd switch it up for this week and go to some thrift stores with you guys. I also don't know if anybody's seen this yet, but bought a new truck. Purdy. The old one was just eating too much gas, so got the new one. And we're here at St. Vincent de Paul. Cloudy day here in Pittsburgh, but that's pretty normal for around here. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels. Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Come on, let's go look at some more toys.
$23 on eBay. It's the hostess set. The hurrier I go, the behinder I get. Okay. Last time we here found some toner and a modem. Oh, this is their eBay section. Is this true? The SR50 on eBay is 50, but here it's only 20. Is this a true fact? Looks a little jacked.
This is just ridiculous.
I think you can buy this on their website too. I think they sell these on their website, so I don't know.
Inline skates, how much do they sell for on eBay? $45. Wayne Gretzky's choice. Okay.
Oh, Heron Company. What is this? Oh, this is more eBay crap? This is their eBay section. I'm like, oh look, like, this looks really good. Oh look, it's tumblestones. Only it's, instead of the rock tumbler. Yeah.
That's what we sold ours for.
No, 20. But ours was not that old. So this is like their, we know this is on eBay section. That's what this is. We know it's on eBay.
Coffee mugs. Lots and lots of coffee mugs. Got a meat slicer. It could be like Kramer. Slice up all the meat. Feed it to the cat.
Arsenal cider. There's this cider place that's in Pittsburgh, and there's still a water in it in the bottom, or maybe it's cider, I don't know. That's gross. Dump that out before you put it on the shelf. Oh my gosh, we have this exact same dish. We do have that exact same dish. Oh, these would be cute for cat food for my cats. We do need a couple more dishes. EKG glasses. Normal rhythm, PVC rhythm, A flutter, A fib, stomach, SVT. So these are glasses with like heart rhythms. I'm curious. I'm gonna look those up. Nope. What even is this? Oh, I like the bottom one. The bottom one's like, you're not alive anymore. You're flatlining.
So I found some vintage Tommy jeans here. Yep, right there with the flag. And then I got these pair of American Eagles. Vintage American Eagle jeans. Half off. So that's good. And I saw these American Eagle shoes. Didn't even know they made shoes. $10 though. Well, it's half off, so they'll only be $5, but they're kind of worn.
Some beads. Knitter thing, like a loom. Alright, what else do I got here? Ribbons. glue sticks. What is this? Dymo letter tag? Does this work? Are these worth money? Oh, look. So, it does light up. It must have batteries in it. What if I print? Will it print? It just died. I wonder if this works. Dymo Letra Tag. $2. Let me look this up. $9.80 plus shipping. 15. Is this the same one? $15 plus $8.10 shipping. $7.50. $7. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be a money loser. This is definitely the same thing, but it's 15 free shipping. This weighs probably about a pound. So you're making like $5. I don't think so.
I see something new with tags back here. These are sweatpants. This is like the weirdest material ever. I don't even know what it is. $10. A pair of 2 sport fleece. Wrong time of year for that. $6. Red tags are good right now. These are half off. Let's see. Gap. No. Penguins. They didn't do very good. They're out of the playoffs. American Eagle hoodie. $3. Take that. American Eagle again. $3, size medium. Okay. A lot of American Eagle.
Cats and hats. This is precious. 2021, so it's still valid. You can still get 6 months out of this. Look at that precious little baby. Okay. What do we got over here? This is where sometimes you can find the random electronics that are worth money. What is this? What is this? Somebody make this? What even is this? Is it just a stand? There's like a lot of screws in here. It's like a permanently attached Jenga. Okay. Plaster of Paris. Ooh, look, it's the seamstress too. This is...
Alright, stop 2 for the day. Red, white, and blue thrift store. I haven't been here for a while, so we're kind of excited about it.
I was here by myself.
Sarah came here by herself. I didn't go. So I'm excited, I guess.
I'm very excited.
So, Sarah.
Can't even stand how excited I am.
She's overwhelmed with excitement.
So excited.
Alright, we'll see you in there. See what we got here. Deodorant. A big market deodorant, so I think. Not much here. What'd you find? Fan bands?
It grills Notre Dame's logo into your steak.
Okay.
It's probably worth $12.99.
You got a Mario gown.
Neat. I don't got much back here today.
No, it looks pretty picked. I'm gonna look at the toys. Uh-oh. The mother load. I better go get Sarah. You need to stop what you're doing. You need to stop whatever it is that you're doing and come with me immediately.
Why?
Oh, it's good. Oh yeah. No.
Cabbage. What is this? Oh, dear Lord. Only this one is probably worth it. Why is she wearing a hospital gown? Yep, this isn't a ridge. $6. That's not bad. She
What's
looks,
half off today? Blue.
she looks pretty
The
good.
red.
Yeah, that's okay now. I'll fix her out.
You know, there's a two preemies.
I know, but you have to see what date they are, dear. She needs her hair fixed a bit, but I'll control her. This might be original. No, I don't think so. This is an 88. 88s aren't as worth as much as 82s and like 84s. This is a new one. I can. This is Craig's. Oh my God, is this an original? I think I can clean this off.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But I think you might have pox. No, this looks like it might be pox. I don't think that's coming off. I should carry a magic eraser in my purse.
But it's Craig.
Blonde Craig. Yeah. I think he can be saved. Where are you looking at this? Oh, what is this? This is a bean butt. This is an 87. I don't know. It's hard to say.
It's $3.
I understand that, Adam. Yeah, we'll get this one. This one's precious. Alright, what else we got here? This is a newer one. This is a newer one, I can tell. That's a newer one. I can just tell if they're newer or not.
Okay.
Wow.
$10. That. It's a lot. It's like Bart. Like it's bedazzled Bart. $10. $12. Anything with the Nike swoop on it, they got it at $12. What about this? $5? $7 each.
Well, two of them are selling for $25. They're half off, so they're $4.
Oh,
The green tags are half off, and the red is $75.
okay.
The brown one, the red one, and the blue one together are selling for $40. Is that hilarious?
Okay.
So, let's say we get these.
Okay.
Don't try not to put anything on top of that because if it gets crushed in, it's not worth it.
So what do we got? We got some shirts. We got some books.
Cabbage
Patches. Some air filters.
Yeah, so basically
The steak sear
these
thing.
are selling for like 10 to 12 a piece. We're getting them for 4.
These shirts.
Yeah.
Filters.
Air filters. Those are like
Cabbage
30
patches.
Those are like $30 bills right there.
Yep, and I got a Wii U game waiting for me at the front desk.
Yeah.
So, pretty good trip.
I feel like you can get a little bit longer.